Hello kids, in this video we are going to learn prevention of communicable diseases. Okay, see here, communicable diseases can be prevented by adopting a clean living habits and a healthy lifestyle. Here are some golden rules of healthy and hygiene. Prevention of communicable diseases. Communicable diseases can be prevented by adopting a clean living habits and a healthy lifestyle. Here are some golden rules of health and hygiene. Point 1. It is important to follow basic rules of good health and the hygiene, both at home and in one's immediate surrounding. All drains must be kept covered to keep the rodents and insects away. Food should be fresh and wholesome and must be cooked in a clean kitchen, while drinking water must be filtered, boiled and then stored in a clean container. Some golden rules of health and hygiene. It is important to follow a basic rules of good health and hygiene at home and in one's immediate surroundings. All drains must be kept covered to keep rodents and insects away. Next point is food should be fresh, wholesome and must be cooked in a clean kitchen, while drinking water must be filtered or boiled and then stored in a clean container. And kitchen place should be clean and it is away from insects, rodents. Understood no? Our cooking place should be clean. Toilets and bathrooms must be washed daily with a proper disinfectant. For good health, toilet and bathrooms must be washed daily with a proper disinfectant. Dry and wet garbage must be collected in a separate containers having a proper lids. Don't throw garbage here and there. Dry and wet garbages must be separate and collected in different containers having a lids. Vaccines are very effective in preventing the spread of certain diseases. Children are vaccinated at different ages from the time of birth. People who are vaccinated develop resistance against those diseases. Vaccines are available for diseases like whooping cough, tetanus, polio, plague, tetanus, rabies and typhoid. Vaccines are very effective in preventing the spread of certain diseases. Children are vaccinated at different age from the birth. People who are vaccinated develop resistance against those diseases. Vaccines are available for diseases like whooping, cough, tetanus, polio, plague, rabies and typhoid. In case of epidemic, the case must immediately be reported to the government health department so as to help them take necessary action to prevent its spread. In case of an epidemic, the case must be immediately be reported to the government health departments because so they help them to take a necessary action to prevent the spread of diseases. Understood, no kids? These are the golden rules of health and hygiene. Next is, in case there is a person suffering from a communicable disease, how we'll take care, how precaution take that one. The patient should immediately be shifted to a separate room, must be given separate articles of a daily use to avoid the direct contact to the thereby spread of the diseases. In case of there is a person suffering from a communicable diseases, all of you know nowadays COVID-19 is there. We all are suffering from that. In that situations, we are know how it is there. So we maintain distance, we wear masks, and unnecessary don't come outside, don't move here and there. If it is important work is there, that time only come out, do your work and go to home. Otherwise don't roam here and there. We know nowadays condition is very bad. So we are making an online study for that one COVID-19, no? So kids, take care of yourself and guide to your parents too. Understood, no? So see here, the patient should be immediately be shifted to a separate room, must be given a separate articles of a daily use to avoid a direct contact and thereby spread of diseases. Prescribed diet and the medicines must be given to the patients one time. Prescribed diet and the medicines must be given to the patient one time, on times, on way how the doctor prescribes that one given timing, no, that time we must give to the all medicines and diets. Otherwise, the patient will not cover immediately. Next is, all things used by a patient must be washed separately and must always also be properly disinfected. All the things used by patient must be washed separately. Don't combine that one with others, and must also be properly disinfected that one. Toilets used by the patient must be washed daily with disinfectant. Toilets too used by a patient must be washed daily with the disinfectant. Understood? These are the persons suffering from communicable diseases. Now, see, next is, find out how often are your toilets and bathrooms washed with a toilet disinfectant. We are going to see this question when we are going to solve the exercise. Okay, how often your toilets and bathrooms washed with a toilet disinfectant? Okay, I will explain this one with the exercise solving time. Now, non-communicable diseases that do not spread from person to person are called non-communicable diseases. These are the communicable diseases. Those are spread from person to person. For example, nowadays COVID-19 is there, no? It is a communicable disease. It is spread from person to person. So, for that, to avoid that one, we must be safe, be in home, safe, and maintain distance and wear masks. Okay? Now we'll see non-communicable diseases. Non-communicable diseases are do not spread from person to person. They are called non-communicable diseases. They are caused either due to the functional disorders or the organs deficiency of certain vitamins or minerals in the body. Non-communicable diseases are caused either due to the functional disorders or the organs or deficiency of vitamins and minerals in the body. Heart disorders, diabetes, high blood pressures, paralysis, etc. are caused due to the malfunctioning of an organ system or a body parts. People suffering from these diseases are need a medical attention and a change in lifestyle. Heart disorders, diabetes, blood pressure, paralysis are etc. caused due to the malfunctioning of an organs. That time organ system of body, people suffering from these diseases need medical attention and change in lifestyle. There are also certain non-communicable diseases caused due to the deficiency vitamins or minerals in daily diet. They are called deficiency diseases. Treatment of such a disease require timely consumption of food rich in required nutrients. Deficiency disease means there are some certain non-communicable diseases caused due to the deficiency of certain vitamins and minerals. Deficiency of certain vitamins and minerals, they are in our daily diet, in daily food. They are called the deficiency diseases. These treatment of such a diseases require timely consumption of food rich in that required nutrients. Understood the kids? We'll see next. Turn the page. Let us learn about deficiency diseases and their symptoms, causes and cures. Okay, here 4 columns are there: vitamins and minerals, food sources, deficiency diseases and symptoms, their symptoms. Eat these foods. Okay, to cure which one food we eat is given here. A column, vitamins and minerals. Vitamin A, if deficiency of vitamin A is there, which food source we eat? Milk, butter, carrot, sweet potatoes, dark colored fruits such as green, red and yellow capsicum, dark green leaf vegetables, etc. If deficiency of A it is there, that time we eat milk, butter, carrots, okay, dark colored fruits, green, red, yellow capsicums and green leafy vegetables. What is the deficiency disease's name? Night blindness. If vitamin A is less, that time which disease will come? Night blindness will come. If vitamin A is less, that time night blindness disease will come. Cannot see in dim light and dark, and dryness in eyes and dry skins. These are the symptoms. Eating food are milk, drink more water, cheese, some roots, carrots, capsicums, cabbages and green leafy vegetables. You must eat to this one for vitamin A. It is a rich in vitamin A. Next, B1. Food rich in sprouts, beans, pulses, green leafy vegetable, milk, meat, fish and cereals. These are rich in vitamin B1. Berry, disease name is disease name is if vitamin B is less, that time we eat sprouts, beans, pulses, green leafy vegetables, and the deficiency disease name is berry. That time symptoms, how the symptoms are there? Rough skin, joint pains, cracked corners of the mouth. If disease very will be there. That time symptoms are rough skin, joint pains, cracked corners of the mouth. We eat these foods means sprouts and pulses, cereals. Okay, now we'll see if deficiency of this one, which one? C vitamin is less in our body. That time we eat citrus fruits, lemon, orange, sweet limes, tomatoes, because these are rich in vitamin C. The deficiency disease name is scurvy. Symptoms are bleeding in gums, swelling in joints, difficulty in healing of wounds. If scurvy disease will be there, that time symptoms bleeding in gums, swelling in joints, difficulty in healing of wounds. We eat these food means citrus fruits, lemon, orange, sweet limes and tomatoes, because they are rich sources of vitamin C. Now D. Vitamin D deficiency means less in our body. That time what we'll do, we'll see. Butter, ghee, groundnuts, oil, eggs, meats are rich sources of D. Deficiency disease is rickets. If vitamin D is less, deficiency is there, that time ricket disease will come. Symptoms are soft bones that bend easily. Rickets, soft bones that bend easily. In almost in children we'll see bright lenses of bones in adult. Okay, that time we eat food, which one food? Butter, ghee, groundnut oil, egg and meats. Now we'll see calcium and phosphorus. Calcium and phosphorus are minerals. Milk and milk products, green leafy vegetables are rich sources of calcium and phosphorus. Deficiency diseases, defective and weak bones, poor teeth and bad breath. If deficiency of calcium and phosphorus minerals means diseases, defective and weak bones, poor teeth and bad breath. That time we should eat milk products, water, we must drink water and green leafy vegetables more. Next, iron. Green leafy vegetables and brinjals, pulses, meat are rich sources of food. These are food sources of which are rich in irons. Deficiency diseases, anemia. If mineral iron is less in our body, we will suffer from anemia diseases. Its symptoms are fatigue, tiredness, paleness of face. Symptoms of this anemia disease are fatigue, tiredness, paleness on face. And that time we eat this food: meat, green leafy vegetables, brinjals, pulses. Understood, no? This all food we must eat. Now, mineral iodine, if it is less, what will do? What happen? Goiter deficiency disease will come. If iodine is less, goiter disease will come. Swelling symptoms are swelling in neck region. Goiter symptoms are swelling in neck region. So food sources: fish, iodized salt are more rich in iodine. fish, fish oil, and iodine salt. We must eat that time. Okay, these are rich in iodine. Understood, kids? Here we'll stop here our lesson. You read the lesson carefully and write down all new words in your notebook, and again one time read the lesson. Understood, the kids? Thank you for watching the video.